y'all. Hey, 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 hey. What y'all doing? I guess same thing y'all was probably doing last time I asked y'all what you doing. And I'm doing the same thing that I was doing last time I asked y'all what y'all was doing. I'm slaying. For you guys that don't know, my name is Ifa K, and I am a lover of beauty, a lover of wigs, a lover of hair, a lover of makeup, and everything in between that's dealing with beauty. And sis, bro, if you're into those things too, or if you're into seeing a beautiful woman talk about and slay in those areas, then I hope you'll consider becoming a part of the Ifa K crew. Boo! Come on down. Become a part of the fam by clicking the red subscribe button down below. And to all my A1s, since day one, what it do? Boo! So today, y'all, we are gonna dab back into the 50 Shades of Spring series. And with that series comes collabs. And today's collab is with a wonderful, beautiful, special person. She has a special place in my heart anyway, and that is my beautiful YouTube sis, Miss Phoebe Brown. Y'all, Phoebe is so freaking sweet and so down to earth. I love Phoebe. Y'all, she brings you some of the newest wigs, some of the baddest wigs, and guess what? Sis also knows how to slay a look. You understand? So if you like wig reviews, if you like makeup tutorials, if you like slaying in quarantine, like I do and like Phoebe does, y'all make sure to go check my sis out after y'all watch this video. I will leave a link to her channel down in the description box below, and I will also make sure to link her up here in the big eye in the sky, so y'all make sure to go check her out after this video. Sis, I promise you, bro, I promise you, y'all are gonna love her. So today, y'all, we are reviewing this beautiful unit that I am rocking right now. She's an oldie, but she's a goodie. She ain't that old, but she got some age on her. Bam! Yes, sis Dashly. This is Dashly Unit number 5, and I have her in the color T1B Copper Red. So she features ear-to-ear soft lace. They say it's an essential to your wig stash. I love her. She's super easy. Other than cutting the lace, like, sis, you ain't got to do much or nothing to her. I added some powder to the part, and I plucked it just a little bit in this area because it was looking a little weird, like just bunched up hairs real tight right there. But other than that, since you ain't got to do much, you cut the lace, put powder in the part, and you good to go. You can go out the door, literally. She does come with baby hairs, but just like I did, I don't need baby hairs on each and every lace front that I wear, so you could easily brush them to the back. It's super easy, super beginner friendly. It is not big head friendly though. Let me show you what I'm talking about. Yeah, no, it's not big head friendly. So there aren't any ear tabs. Keep that in mind. There aren't any ear tabs, and you cannot, like, it's not a blunt cut, but it's pretty straight. You can't really turn it from side to side, or one side's gonna be shorter than the other, unless you're going for that look, sis. And if you are, more power to you. But yeah, but she does not shed, or she has not shed since I have put this unit on. Just to give you guys a closer look, that is the part. She does tangle. She does tangle, not terribly, because I haven't gotten much tangling, but my finger got snagged on her maybe like 2 or 3 times. But any synthetic, long, silky synthetic unit is going to tangle on you, sis. It might not tangle terribly, but it's not gonna be like your real hair. It's not real hair. It's synthetic fibers. Yeah. She has 2 combs right here and right here, and she has 1 comb in the back and adjustable straps. As I said, she's not big hair friendly, so I did not have to use the straps at all. Period. At all. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this wig show and tell, because we ain't do no installing. I don't need to install this unit. Like, y'all, it's so freaking tight on my head. Let me give you guys a 360 real quick, and yeah, show you guys this beautiful red color. I don't do reds, y'all. I don't care for how reds look on me, but girl, all right, sis, let me give you a 360. Hold on, I'll be right back. Okay. So that's it. I'm sorry. For y'all who are new, I'm a goof troop. I'm a super goofball. I like to laugh. I like to have fun. I like to be lighthearted. So, like I said before, if you like those things, you need to come on and subscribe, sis. Come on and check your girl out. Anyway, thank y'all so much for checking me out today. I know this was a quick one, but Dashly is that, y'all. Like, she just a slay. Keep your eyes peeled, boo, and your head on the swivel, because I'm coming at you real soon with the Dashly 11 and the Dashly 12. Don't forget to go check my sis out, Phoebe Rome. Y'all are gonna love her. And she got a bomb accent, like. Anyway, you guys, thank y'all again. I love y'all. I pray God covers y'all and keeps y'all safe. Please make sure y'all are being safe out here. I know they opening up states and stuff, but y'all be safe. Wear your mask. Wash your hands. Tell somebody you love them today. There's a lot of folks out there that need to hear that. So, I love y'all.